Our story begins thousands of years ago with the first use of concrete-like materials. The ancient Romans were pioneers in this field, using a mixture of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater to construct magnificent structures that stand to this day. The Pantheon, an architectural marvel of the ancient world, is a testament to their ingenuity and understanding of material science. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we see the birth of modern concrete. An Englishman named Joseph Aston patented what he called Portland cement. This marked a significant turning point in the history of engineering constructions. This new type of concrete was stronger, more durable, and could be mass-produced, revolutionizing the construction industry forever. In the 21st century, yet another revolution is underway. The advent of 3D printing technology has opened up a world of possibilities for the future of engineering constructions. Picture a construction site where instead of cranes and manual labor, there are 3D printers working tirelessly, day and night, producing pieces of buildings with precision and efficiency. 3D printing in construction, also known as additive manufacturing, has the potential to dramatically change the way we build. From printing small components to entire buildings, this technology can reduce waste, cut costs, and even save lives by reducing the risk of construction-related accidents. The evolution of 3D printing in construction has been nothing short of spectacular. It started with small-scale prototypes in the early 2000s. By 2015, the first fully 3D printed building, a small office building in Dubai, stood as a proof of concept. Today, entire neighborhoods of 3D printed homes exist, providing affordable housing solutions in places like Mexico and Austin, Texas. But what does the future hold for 3D printing in construction? The possibilities seem limitless. Imagine a world where buildings aren't just constructed, but are printed in a matter of days. Imagine a world where architectural design is only limited by the bounds of human imagination, not by the constraints of traditional construction methods. Researchers are already experimenting with 3D printing using lunar and Martian soil, paving the way for potential off-world colonization. This could mean that one day humans might live in 3D printed habitats on the Moon or even Mars, built by robots before our astronauts even set foot on these celestial bodies. From the ancient Romans to the pioneers of Portland cement, and from the first small-scale 3D printed prototypes to the possibility of extraterrestrial habitats, the journey of engineering constructions has been a remarkable one. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. With the continued evolution of 3D printing, the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning.